Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Rashana Levin, Realtor with KW United. So today's video is I am showing you how to navigate home warranties with Ryan Homes, what's included, what's not included, not going into the weeds, but understanding how to find the information. Because when you need it, you need it. So general coverage home warranties. So this is what the builder is offering. So they make a disclosure. So if you have a settlement date prior to February 1st, 2023, they have warranties below, which I'm going to show you in a second. So currently, what are they offering? So they have a 1-year warranty on all materials and workmanship, except landscaping. Condos have a 2-year standard coverage on these items, except landscaping. 2-year coverage on installation of all mechanical systems, if applicable, plumbing, heating and air conditioning, electrical systems. So my rationale for if it's applicable is if you didn't do something to damage it. So you have to make sure that you've, gotten your system serviced, that you didn't put, concrete down the sink or something. So, you can't do anything intentional to the home. So they also have a 10-year coverage. So that covers against structural defects, including footing, beams, trusses, bearing walls, structural finishers, and so on. Condominiums have a 2-year standard coverage on these items. And so depending on when your home was settled, this is what is included. So it goes all the way back to 1994. And this is for condos, what that includes as well. And I will put the links to this below. They actually have recall notices as well if you need to look that up. So how do you submit a warranty request? So this is the warranty request. And remember, I'll put the link in the description below. So you have to put where you live, of course, and then you're going to need to supply what the issue is, and you have to submit your contact information. And I would recommend that you actually take photos of what is going on. Also take a video, because once you actually get somebody from the team to contact you, you'll be able to send them a video as well of that issue. And then they will contact you, and that is it. And so they have normal business hours to get in contact with them Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative to you. I hope this helps you if you have an issue. Hopefully you don't, and hopefully it's an easy one to rectify and get fixed, and I hope that it is covered. If you have any questions about real estate, give me a call at 240-284-4114.